All right, so as they say in the soccer world, 1,000 touches a day. We're gonna practice that. Okay, so see if I can do this without falling backwards. And 15 minutes starts now. All right, linear. X minus 5 plus 8. Change in Y. 12. Change in X. 6. Linear. X minus 2 becomes X plus 2 plus 4. Negative 2 to 15, change of X, 17, 4 to 3, down 1, moving along. All right, 100 to 75, down 25, 3 to 40, up 37, 3, X minus 3, plus 100, done. Linear, minus 18, we'll go X plus 18. I want negative 19, I put it there, I got a marker, negative 18 to 2, change to 20. Minus 19 to 19, 38. Linear. Guess you can see it, maybe not. All right, 21 to negative 1, I went down 22. Of course, it took me 9 units of change of X. X minus 20 plus 21. Linear, minus 14, I write plus 14. 17. Change in Y, 17 to 10, down 7. Minus 14, minus 9, up 5. Quadratic. That was, remember when I started, 5:37. I started at 5:37. All right, keep an eye on 15 minutes. 2, 3, so I want quadratic change. X minus 2 squared plus 3. Oh yes, quadratic, 0. 0 squared is important. I made a 0 out of 2. 3 to 20, up 17. Quadratic change, 2 to 8, 6 squared, 36. Can we see everything that I'm doing? Yes, minus 4, minus 11. So X plus 4 squared, minus 11. Get the template going. Minus 4 to 1 is a change of 25. Quadratic change of 25. Minus 11 to 20, up 31. What are the roots? I said I'd do the roots. Okay, well, I'm measuring from 2, 2 plus or minus. I got to get a square root. Got to go down 3. Do I want to do this yet? And then it's going to be dividing by 17 over 36. I don't think that's very helpful right now, so let's not do that. All right, we'll do that later with easier numbers. All right, so forget the roots right now. Where am I? Going to the next one. All right, so vertex. So y equals, I got to do that with each of these. Can we see what we're looking at? Okay. X plus 9 squared plus 3. Quadratic change, negative 9 to 1 is 100 units of change. 3 to negative 20, down 23. Oh, I didn't even do this one. So let's go with 1250, negative 50. Negative. All right, 820 means X minus 8 squared plus 20. The quadratic change, 8 to 12, that's 4 units squared, 16. And now we've got 20 to minus 50, minus 70. All right, I guess that's that practice. All right, so now we're going to complete the square, which is all about taking a rectangle, reshaping it into a square so you even off the sides and add a little constant to make sure they're the same. X minus 5 squared, minus 5 squared is 25, so get rid of that and bring in the 7. X plus 6 squared, just cutting it in half, keeping the same symbol. Get rid of the 36 and write the negative 5. X plus 4 becomes X plus 2 squared. Get rid of that 4 units squared and bring in the minus 11. All right, let's go back over here and change this number to, how about we make it plus 8x. All right, let's do it again. X plus 4 squared, cut it in half. What you're doing is getting the smaller side, making the longer side smaller and tacking it on to complete the square. So minus 16 plus 7. Okay, let's try a new one. Let's try X squared plus 100. Oh, I don't want to do that. It's too early in the morning. Let's do, maybe I've done, just do 2x. plus 50. All right, we'll do that. And that's x plus 1. You cut it in half, get rid of that one, bring in the 50. You can always do that later. Okay, I do have a couple more over here, so I got to shut the door. Well, I guess we're going to do a little Pythagoras. God, we've only done maybe 7 minutes. Ooh, we'll do a little Pythagoras too. So we got, can we see? X plus 10 squared. Get rid of that 100. Bring in the 3. X minus 7 squared. Cut it in half. Get rid of that 49. Bring in the 9, and they're all equal. All right. It's at 15 minutes of mental gymnastics. So let's do another 7 minutes or so. Now I can't see the clock. All righty, some stuff you haven't even done yet. Okay, so here's a right triangle. If you look at the angle, the cosine of angle A is 3 to 5. The sine of angle A is 4 to 5, and the tangent is 4 to 3. And Pythagorean relationship, you want to work pictorially. So 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25. So we'll do a little trig right now. All right. So let's say I give you two values. So let's say x is 2 and z is the hypotenuse. So we're going to draw these in standard form. And z is 9. All right. So if z is 9, that's this. And x is 2, this is this. All right. What do I know? 81, 4. What's 81 minus 4? Sure looks like it's 77. So therefore, the square root of 77 is right here. And so what is the sine? I don't like what I'm doing right now, but so I'm going to stop the video. Okay, cosine of the angle. I got us this far. At least it'll be an introduction. 2/9. Sine of angle A. Square root of 77 is here, so square root of 77 over 9. And it won't hurt you to get a seed planted here, and the tangent of the angle is equal to square root of 77 over 2. All right, so we're going to cut it off there. 10 minutes of mental gymnastics, planting a seed on the last one. And you let me know in class on Monday if any of that earlier practice helped at all. Ta-ta.